Hi, my name's Kerry Badham and I'm delighted to show you today our Just Married inscription cutter. The great thing with this is it all cuts out in one piece and you can dry it flat, you can put it on the side of your cake, or you can dry it round a cylinder dummy cake to shape it and stand it on top of your cake. Here is the cake that we've made to demonstrate the brand new cutter. As you can see, it all cuts out in one piece, which is really nice. Letters are slightly larger and it makes a really nice statement on the front of your cake. We're going to start from the top of this cake so I can just tell you the other products that I've used. Here we've got the FMM gingerbread people set and we've made a bride and groom. So just decorating them in the alternative colours to make them look like a bride and groom. Coming down we've got the easiest bunting set and I've made the small decorations on the bunting. On here we've used the essential shapes, but here we've used the decorative strip out of the FMM gift tag cutter set. We've used the small bows. So coming down we have the Just Married, which we spoke about earlier, and moving down again we've got the FMM cute car. I've decorated again using the decorative strip from the FMM gift tag cutter set, and here we've got some balloons trailing behind the car from the FMM Child's Play. The paste we recommend you use is modelling paste. You can buy modelling paste or you can make it yourself. We're going to make it using the Rainbow Dust Tylo. You can use CMC or gum drag. So this is a standard fondant. You can buy different colours of fondant or you can colour them yourself. Entirely up to you. So just place some tylo on your work mat and knead it in. You'll feel your fondant start to firm up, and once you've done this, what you need to do is wrap it in some cling film or put it in an airtight container and leave it for at least 30 minutes. It's a good idea to make it up the day before so it's ready to use as soon as you start to decorate your cake. Here's our modelling paste. I've rolled it out and I like to leave mine to sit for a few minutes to allow it to be a little bit drier on top. I find that way I get a really nice clean cut. So the great thing with modelling paste as well is that you can move it around and you don't tend to damage it, which is why we prefer to use that medium of paste rather than fondant. So we place the cutter on top and we apply pressure all the way along. I will slide it around my mat. This will give you a clean cut, but it also ensures that the paste isn't too thick and it isn't going to stick in your cutter. So all the way across, turn it over, and we're going to remove the excess. So now we need to remove the inner sections, which I'm going to do with my knife and scriber tool. We've picked out the inner sections of the Just Married. These are little bits that you don't need. On here you can see you've got two little hearts, which are quite sweet if you want to put them to one side and use them on your decoration. So now we're going to release it from the cutter. So you can tap it on your work surface and you'll notice that it starts to come out, or you can use a soft brush and ease it out on this side. So nice and easy. If you have any little pieces left behind, you can just tidy them up. So, but there's your Just Married. So you can leave this sit for a few minutes, leave it dry off a while, it makes it easier to handle, and you just attach it to the front of your cake with water. The alternative is you can use this as a topper to stand on top of your cake, which would look quite effective as well. So here I have a cylinder cake dummy and I would lay that on its side. Just need to stop it from rolling. And then I would pick this up and put it on top. So you want to do this near the bottom because you want to make sure you've got a nice flat edge at the bottom. And if your paste starts to stretch a bit, which it will do when it's quite moist, all I did was use some small pins just to hold it in place, to stop it moving, stop it from dragging. Like you can see here, the M is opening up, so we want to push that back so it stands nice. And I'm just going to place a couple of pins to stop it from moving around. So you're just using these for support, and then I would just leave that for 24 hours to dry, and once it's nice and dry it will stand nice and flat, and then you can stand it on top of your cake. So there you have our brand new Just Married curved words inscription cutter, which we think adds a lovely fun and modern edge to your design on a wedding cake.